Your body is constantly under attack from tiny, invisible villains called free radicals. These unstable molecules damage cells, accelerating aging and increasing disease risk, but antioxidants are your defense. Today, we'll uncover how antioxidants work to neutralize these threats and why they're crucial for overall health. Understanding this can empower you to make smarter choices for a healthier you. Imagine free radicals as rogue sparks, bouncing around and stealing electrons from healthy cells. This electron theft creates a chain reaction of damage, rust on metal. Antioxidants, vitamin C in oranges or vitamin E in almonds, step in, donating electrons without becoming unstable themselves, effectively stopping the chain reaction. It's not just about preventing aging. Free radicals contribute to chronic diseases, heart disease and cancer. Antioxidants help mitigate this risk by protecting DNA and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Think of blueberries, packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give them their vibrant color and protect against cellular damage. Surprisingly, your body produces some free radicals to fight off infections. It's a controlled process. However, factors pollution, smoking, and even intense exercise can overwhelm your system. And here's a curiosity: dark chocolate, a treat for many, is a surprisingly rich source of antioxidants, but moderation is key. We'll explore the best food sources in our next video. So, antioxidants are your cellular bodyguards, neutralizing free radicals and safeguarding your health. By incorporating antioxidant-rich foods into your diet, you're actively protecting yourself from damage and promoting long-term well-being. Found this explanation helpful? Give this video a share it with your friends, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips.